Welcome back, another episode. We're going to play with the door. Yeah, I think it's time now to pretty much do the door. There's a little bit that we could do there, but let's get the door going because we need the door solid before we can do anything. A lot of surface rust. Could get the wire brush on that and get a lot of cure rust on it as well. So the key thing what we've got to try and do, which is much more an attempt first, is to get this old channel out, which the rubber channel fits to, because that's the bit that's completely rusted. And I'll try and attempt to do it first without trying to cut too much of this frame away, but we'll give it a go. So let's get the wire brush on it, get the angle grinder on it and see what success we have. Can't believe it, I've lost my new repair section. I had it a second ago at the beginning of this. I'm going to have to watch the video now and see if I can figure out where I bloody put it. There it is. Ha ha! Why in front of me all this time? Okay, I think I can repair the top section. I'm just having to think about it, so I've just left it for the moment. I think I'm going to have to be a bit drastic and cut some out more. So I'm just cleaning up the bottom where I know I can repair the bottom of the door frame, because I've got the panel. Just a Magnum one. Wasn't a perfect fit the other side, but made it work. That'll do. It's a Mark 1. Doors don't fit that well anyway, do they? Okay, I bottomed most of that ground off. Don't really remember what I did on the last one, because there's a strengthening plate there for the door hinge that actually overlaps the actual bottom panel. So they put this panel on first and then spot weld the other thing on. But so I don't know what I did on the last one. But God knows. I didn't know. So yeah, what you've got to do now is just figure out whereabouts you want to cut it. And yeah, a lot of this corner is shot, so I need to go as far around the corner as possible, because this is just kaput. There's a lot of that solid on the corner there, so I might just try and do around the edge and then weld around the corner. Seems to work sometimes. And I'll do this similar on the other side, I think. Yeah, so let's have a little bit of a play on that, and then we're going to call it a night. Okay, I'm 98% there with that. Got both ends nearly fitting. Just roughly clamped it on for now. The curvature doesn't perfectly match on the ends, so on this end I've had to sort of slit it slightly, but that's alright. We can work with that. So what do you expect with pattern panels? They're not supposed to be perfect. So yeah, not looking too bad. So we can get that. Obviously the repair panel doesn't cover enough on that end, so we're going to have to make a lot of that. Turn it over, then you see a load more rust. I wonder if I can buy a whole section there. I wonder if that is easier. I wonder if I can buy a whole top section pre-made. Have to have a look. Alright, so yeah, let's get in there. A little bit more fettling next time when we get that welded on. We'll drill some holes through this to then plug weld through from the other side, because I don't think my spot weld will get in there. I don't think I spot welded it last time, did I? I don't remember. Anyway, there's another update. Also for tea, I'm going to try and make some homemade chicken pies using Bisto gravy granules. This is a sauce. Not too sure if it will work, but we like that flavour gravy, so kids might eat it. Alright, anyway, cheers guys. Any feedback, great. Otherwise I'm just going to crack on. I'm going to go look to see if there's a top section, and we can go from there. I suppose it's not a top section though, is it? It's a press, and that's the whole part of the frame, so maybe there's a rear pair section. Oh, I don't know. The old remember of the jet black and the subframe. Do you remember the rear subframe that I did? Do you remember that? The people that watched me do that one, it beat me in the end, that rear subframe, and you ended up buying a new one. So don't know if this door's going to beat me or not, but I think if it does beat me, I'm going to still keep it, because I think it is beatable, but maybe just not at the moment. But we'll see, because we've just got that, you know, that's the worst of it, that top frame that's buggered. Once we've got that sorted, we're cooking, aren't we? Anyway, have a good evening guys, see you soon.